English quiz.
In, on, at.
1. I usually wake up 7 a.m. on weekdays. Answer: I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays.
2. She likes to read books the evening. Answer: She likes to read books in the evening.
3. We will meet Friday for lunch. Answer: We will meet on Friday for lunch.
4. He lives New York City. Answer: He lives in New York City.
5. The dog is sitting on the sofa.
Answer: The dog is sitting on the sofa.
6. She was born 2005. Answer: She was born in 2005.
7. They arrive the airport early in the morning. Answer: They arrived at the airport early in the morning.
8. We have a meeting Monday afternoon. Answer: We have a meeting on Monday afternoon.
9. She goes to bed midnight. Answer: She goes to bed at midnight.
10. There is a big festival summer. Answer: There is a big festival in summer.
10. The picture is hanging the wall. Answer: The picture is hanging on the wall.
12. The picture is placed the floor. Answer: The picture is placed on the floor.
13. We have dinner the evening. Answer: We have dinner in the evening.
14. I will see you the weekend. Answer: I will see you on the weekend, or I will see you at the weekend.
15. She is studying the library right now. Answer: She is studying at the library right now.
16. He works a big company downtown. Answer: He works in a big company downtown.
17. There is a birthday party Saturday. Answer: There is a birthday party on Saturday.
18. The kids are playing the park. Answer: The kids are playing in the park.
19. My office is the third floor of the building. Answer: My office is on the third floor of the building.
20. We will have dinner 6 p.m. Answer: We will have dinner at 6 p.m.